Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to log out from Zangi Messenger application. To log out from Zangi Messenger application, first you have to tap open your Zangi application in your device. Once you tap open the application, it will lead to this interface. Here you can see your private number, and right below your private number you will see your profile name. Tap on your profile name. Here, right below change password option, you will see sign out. Tap on it. Now, Zangi will ask you to keep or delete your messages and call history after signing out. You can keep your history when you are signing into the same device you signed out of, or delete history if you want. Here, I'll tap on keep history. And here you go, you have successfully logged out from Zangi Messenger. Once you log out of Zangi, all of your chat history and call logs remain solely on your device and are completely inaccessible to anyone else, including Zangi itself, as the app does not store your data on servers. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.